Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friend. Before I tell you a fairy tale, let me first introduce myself. My name is Maria. I'm from Uranus class. I will bring you a story from the Philippines with the title, Tillin the Little Rice Bird. One day, Tillin's mother was pounding the rice. She had to pound it using the mortar, or we call lesung and pestle. Now, she put some rice in the mortar and began pounding. Tuk, tuk, tuk. Then she moved it to the winnower, or we call niggle, and toss, 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 shake, and blow to remove the hand, and then transfer it to the big basket. Suddenly, Tillin, who was just sitting nearly, wanted to hear Mother and said, "Mother, please give me some rice. I want some rice to eat, Mother." Mother said, "Tillin, you are not supposed to eat uncooked rice because uncooked rice is for little bird, not for little girl." Mother was quite tired, but she has to get some water from the river nearby. During the time when she goes to the river, always goes with her, but this time it's so different because Tillin just wanted to stay at home. So Mother got the jar, put her hat, and she went to the river. While Mother was in the river, Tillin went near the basket full of rice, and she wanted to taste the rice just a little. So sweet. So delicious. And she wanted more, but when she took some, her whole body went inside the big basket. And she was in trouble, and she was covered with a lot of rice. Suddenly, her mother was coming. She has the sound from the big basket. And she opened the big basket. The little bird flew from the basket and said, "Goodbye, Mother. You won't give me rice." Moral value of this story is always listen to your mother because your mother knows the best for you. Thank you. Bye, teacher. Bye, friend.